Hey everyone, welcome back. Is FC Mobile running slow, dropping frames, or feeling delayed even in the menus? Here are the fastest iPhone fixes. First, go to your settings app, then go to General. Next, go to iPhone storage and check the storage bar at the top. FC Mobile's 3D match engine slows down significantly when the storage is nearly full, since it needs free space to render players and stadiums smoothly. Offload a few unused apps to free room quickly. Next, close every other app in your recent apps. Since FC Mobile's engine competes heavily with background apps for memory during matches. After freeing up memory, go to your settings, then scroll down to display and brightness, tap on it, and consider turning off any battery saving display features temporarily since low power mode throttles graphic performance. Finally, go ahead and restart your iPhone completely. Hold the side button and volume down. Slide to power off. Wait 30 seconds, then turn it back on. A full restart clears temporary memory buildup and is the most effective fix for persistent FPS drops in FC Mobile. So all you've got to do is free up storage, close background apps, turn off low power mode, and restart your iPhone. FC Mobile runs at a full FPS, and that's it. Subscribe.